This is a quick video to show you how to remove the fuel lines on Volkswagens. You're going to need to get a fuel line removal tool like this, and you're going to get the size that matches the base line body right here. So I'm going to size this to about that size, pull this one off. It clips on. Put a rag down and obviously bleed pressure from the system if you're worried about the line being pressurized. You can do that by pulling the fuel pump fuse and then running the car until it dies. Once you have that clip on there, you're going to take the clip and push up on it. While doing so, push the line body down into the clip. And then while you're doing that, keep pushing the clip up and then pull the two up together and the line will come off. What it is there's fingers inside of this that are grabbing on the lip of the line, and you're just using this tool to push the fingers out of the way. And then obviously reinstalling it, you're just gonna clip that back on. That's it.